Hello, and this is my math project of designing your own city. And the name of my city is El Presidente. The population is 50. And in this, I needed a park, which is this attraction over here. My home, or a house, which is right over there. As well as a general store, which is right over here, Jose's General Market. Now, a school. So I have law school, a food store, which is right in the center. It's a drive-through food store, so you would park off to the side to get your food and whatnot. And as well, I needed a bank. You can see right here. Oh dear. I also needed a gas station, which is right here. You gotta fill up your vehicle. A library, which is called the Best Book Library. And a restaurant, as well as a church and a courthouse, which is right over here. Alright? And it also needed some parallel lines, which is right there and right there, as well. I have two more parallel lines right there and right there, and a transversal. And I have two transversals, one going all the way across the city, and one just going a short distance over here. Alright, so my city center is the food market, and my house and the restaurant. So this is my house and the restaurant over there are alternate exterior angles. And what alternate exterior angles mean is that they're outside of the parallel lines, which you can see, right? And they're on the alternate side of the transversal. So my house is right here on the left side of the transversal, while the restaurant is on the right side of the transversal. So that's what an alternate exterior angle is. An alternate interior angle, which is my library, which is right there, in my general store, is the same thing, except it's the same thing because they're on different sides of the transversal, but it's different in the fact that they're on the inside of the parallel lines than on the outside of the parallel lines. And my gas station, which is right over there, and my church had to be corresponding angles, which means that they're on the same side of the transversal. Like my church would be on the same side of the transversal if the transversal kept going, right? So it's where it needs to be, the church, and they're in the same spot relatively on the parallel lines. So this is up above the parallel of this parallel line, and that's up above that parallel line. So that's kind of what a corresponding angle is. Then my school, which is right there, and my park, which is right there, had to be on the same side interior angles. So they're on the same side of the transversal, and they're inside the parallel lines. So that's what a same side interior angle is. Then my courthouse and bank. This is my bank, and this is my courthouse. They had to be vertical angles, so they're adjacent, kind of. Adjacent vertically. So this and this is both vertical angles, they're adjacent. And if you can see that more if the line continued through the whole city. Alright. And now off to do the midpoint distance in centroid. I'll be right back.